Hello, I am Alok. So today I will discuss links in HTML. So links in HTML, links we can, element name is EA, is the stand for the anchor tag. Okay, and the anchor tag, there are the syntax is angle bracket, then again the A space href equal to, then you can put for the again the destination means what you want to open. So here again in this example you see these are the destinations, right? Then you can double quote, we have to close the destinations link, then angle bracket, close it, then again you can write the label means after looking that label only person can identify, oh once I'll click this one I'll get something. Okay, so Central Park is here label, and then again slash closing of the anchor tag, so angle bracket slash A we can close. So syntax is again very simple, not much complicated. So label again either you can write as a text, otherwise as a image also you can write, means some image you can click then some other thing will open. So you can see here in this example again image src equal to the logo.gif. Okay, so this will display as a image. Different type of the again the links are there. So with the help of the links we can open the external websites, and including take example if you want to open the canaraenginecollege.in website in your page itself. So canaraenginecollege.in, that is your destinations. Okay, so that also we can open with the help of the link. Sometime in the some particular website you want to use only the certain resource. Take example for the YouTube only if you want to open the some video. So youtube.com is there, and again the video again the some certain IDs and there some certain links are there. So that again slash we have to put that certain ID, it will come not only for video, image, audio, anything, so we can link to the your websites. Same thing way again another thing is there, if you want to link to the another page of your current website, generally website is the more than one pages are there. So one page to another page if you want to connect, then again we can go for the link. Another place in your current page, again suppose that if you want to go to the top otherwise bottom in your page, so with the help of the division ID we can use, not division ID, any ID we can apply in that particular elements, and then we can go here and there. And particular location of the another page means here another page some certain location if you want to open, that also we can do with the help of the links. And another thing, if you want to send a mail to the somebody, okay, so with the help of the link again here again mail to, that is again the function is there, with the help of that one we can send the mail. And any JavaScript program also we can run with the help of the link. Here we can see again the lot of the different example based upon that type of the links. So first things again, this is for the external websites. Okay, that we link at the place of the destination. Whatever the syntax just now I told, ahref equal to, then you put that complete link only, and this is the your label. Same way in this link again, if you want to open the one image, so you can put again the slash logo.gif. This is again different links which are available in your page, that also we can open. Home again generally index we are writing, so index.html, once you can click on home, so this page will open. And here you can see has top, so this top is again the nothing, this that is the ID of the some elements. So anybody will click on the go to the top of the documents, then that particular ID of that element will open. Same way file name has and then ID, then that file name, that ID, that location will open. And this is again the mail to the whatever you are writing the mail, that mail will come again the two, either the using the Outlook, otherwise whatever this one any again the otherwise in the HTML also it will direct again the this mail, if you are writing that mail will go to that mail ID. Then again we have to write the mail server again, the concept here, not only the with the help of the this line only it will goes to the Outlook. Generally it is opening in the Windows in the Outlook. And another things again it will open the another thing is again any JavaScript function you can also run with the help of the links. And sometime if you want to call to the some number otherwise toll free number, that is also possible with the help of the link. Okay. And one more thing, generally what is happening, person they are writing again in the label click here, person they are writing in the label click here. So whenever they will write the click here and then writing the some text, so that is not good way, because the link means again the somebody should click here only. Okay, so that's why don't try to click here to see that example you see, click here to see the race result, not required, only the race result, otherwise see race result, like that one. Whenever if you want to use, don't write the click here, some certain contents only you can write. A person can, after looking over label, they can think, oh, after click this link I can see some that contents. Okay. And whenever you are writing that destination as a URL, okay, so that is the two type. One is called the absolute referencing, means you have to write the complete URL along with the http:// and then you can write the complete domain name and all of the path we have to write. Another thing is called again the relative referencing. So relative again means, suppose that your file and the another linking file is also in the same folder, then you write only the file name. If the file is in the some other folder, then we have to write the only the path name, not required again HTTP and other things. Okay. And here again there are the two things is important. One is the /, another is called the double periods. Whenever you are write double periods you can say, thereby double dots you can say. So /, to that particular folder to finding the any particular file, and double dots means you can go again the previous again any folders. Okay, that I also in the example again. So here you see, first one is again the same directory, so ahref same file name example.html, and again the whatever the file you are creating, that is also in the same folder. So you can write again the nothing required here, only the file name .html only. And another thing you see is child directory. Child directory means inside the one folder you have some certain image, video and audio. So see here, inside the image folder you are getting the some image logo.gif. So we are writing like this again. Third one is called the grandchild directory. Grandchild directory means here again the inside the one folder, again one more folder, then again your contents are there. Then take example here, css/image. CSS is again one directory, inside that one again image is one directory, and inside that one again one image file is there. Coming back to the here again the parent. Parent means what happened, you have to go back again. So dot you can put, again it is coming outside of the folder. Again the two time if you want to go come to the outside of the folder, then you can see this example here again the // again // okay. So here keep one point in your mind, one dot, another dot, no space, and again slash also no space. So in that way only you can use the relative referencing. Okay. Then again coming to here again, this is again the same like again the whatever we discussed just now. So now we will see again the one example. Okay, then your concept will be clear. So for example purpose, again you open the notepad. So I am opening the one notepad here. So in that notepad again you write the code. This is the basic code only for HTML5. I'm writing here anchor tag demo. Then after the head we can start the body, and then again you can give the one heading kind of the things to identify the programs. Align equal to I'm putting in the center for your display purpose. Anchor tag programs. Now close H1. Now coming here, then come to the syntax ahref equal to double quote. Now you see here what name I put here in the last time, test my page. So I'll give here test my page dot. This is the last video I did this program, simple program only. So this I am linking. So my previous program, my previous class, I will put like this. This is the label only. Then close again the anchor tag, right? Then closing of the body, closing of the HTML. So what I will do, I'll create one folder in the desktop. Just 1 minute. I am creating the one folder in the desktop, new folder, anchor, anchor. I put folder name. Now whatever the program I did just now, this program I'll save inside that folder only, then you'll get better idea. So desktop anchor folder, giving the file name anch.html I'll put, right? Then my best practice, double quote again, no chance of the this one .txt. Then open the anchor folder. Now only one file you see. Yes, so this side is coming, just small code again I'll change. I'll make this also in the center, so you can write center, and we have to close here center. This is again one of the element in the HTML to make anything in the center, opening and the closing along with the center. Save it, coming here, yes. So this link came, so you see here hand symbol is coming. So anybody know hand symbol means I have to click, that's why not like click my previous class, only my previous class. So once I'll click, see getting file not found. Why file is not founding? Because I put here again that this is the name, okay, and this file is not available in that folder, that's why we are not getting. So what we have to do, you can put here // I came outside of the folder, then the file is there. So you see here coming back, then again the yes, refresh, now click, came now, okay. So nothing I change, I put again the // then it went to the outside of the folder. Suppose that file is inside the folder, then if this not required, Control S, and then what we have to do, you minimize this one, and this file I'll put inside there again. Now see, file is inside, two files are inside the same folder now. So in that case again you open, coming back, refresh the page. Now I refresh the page, now you click, coming, okay. So I think you got the idea how to use the link from one page to another page to this page. One more things I want to say here, here so many tabs, attributes are also there, but one attributes I want to say, you can use the target, target equal to _blank, right? So this output will come in the new tab. This part I added extra, target one attributes, and we give the value blank. Target again there are the 4 value, parent is there, blank is there, and 2 more are there, but blank is more popular, and by default it is the parent only. So coming here, refresh page. Now see, I click this one, you open in the new tab only. One tab is already there, this tab is there, again you can click, it is opening in the new tab. So such kind of the things is good whenever you are opening the PDF and other things, because you have to keep your link, and then we have to open the doc file, PDF file, and the video file. That is the good practice purpose. So in that case we can use the target equal to _blank. So I think you got this idea about the anchor tag, okay. Now the coming to the another things like this only, this all this thing is called the inline text element only. So anchor tag is already over, BR I already discussed in the last class for the next line, and EM for the embedding, okay. And a strong means you can make the font little bit strong. I will show you the example again, you can see in this example only, I put here again inside the center only I will use, then is the easy for you to see. Center I will use again here EM, okay, CEC, and close EM. Just little bit font will change, right? And one more I'll use a strong CSE department. Now you see the difference here. Now you can Control S, coming here, This is our page only na. See, CECUC. I'll put again here the next line. Then we can see. Just now I discussed na BR. So BR, what is happening? You can write the opening and the closing tag here itself. And same way I'll put here again the BR. H1 and the paragraph automatic it is coming to the next line, but EM and strong, these are the inline elements. Okay, so it will not go for the next line, right? Coming here, refresh the page. See, now you see EM italic, I cannot say italic, but that is called embedding. Okay, another thing is the CSE strong means little bit bold, not but not like our H1 and H2. Got it? So these are the things comes under for the inline. Like around the 30 elements are there, but out of this one, anchor tag is very popular, BR is the popular, and EM is the popular, and the strong is also the popular. So hope you got the again the idea up to this much. So next class again I will discuss more about the other things. Okay, so thanks for your patience.